Cat. This is cat. Dog. This is dog. Horse. This is horse. Elephant. This is elephant. Cow. This is cow. Lion. This is lion. Duck. This is duck. Sheep. This is sheep. Frog. This is frog. Pig. This is pig. Yay! Pig. Wonderful. Goat. This is goat. Chicken. This is chicken. Bison. This is bison. Wow, so amazing. Wonderful, so nice. This is turkey. Yay, this is turkey. Wow. Blue whale. This is blue whale. Big, so big. Wow. Shark. This is shark. Wow, so dangerous. Big shark. Deer. This is deer. Wow. Eagle. This is eagle. Fish. This is fish. Wow. Fishes and fish. Snake. This is snake. Wow. This is snake. Yay. I am horse. I am elephant. I am lion. I am giraffe. I am gorilla. I am kangaroo. I am cat. I am dog. I am duck. I am cow. I am fish. I am dolphin. I am eagle. I am snake. I am rabbit. I am camel. I am monkey. I am peacock. I am donkey. I am pigeon. Yay!
This is lion. This is African elephant. This is giraffe. This is gorilla. This is kangaroo.
This is cat. This is dog. This is duck. This is cow. This is fish. This is dolphin. This is eagle. This is snake. This is rabbit. This is camel. This is monkey. This is peacock. This is donkey.
This is lion. A lion's roar is so powerful. This is elephant. The elephant is the only land animal that cannot jump. This is giraffe. Giraffes have black tongue that are tough enough to eat thorny branches. Wow, that's amazing. This is cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, reaching speed of 70 mph in short bursts. This is blue whale. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an entire elephant. This is kangaroo. Kangaroos use their tails for balance and cannot physically walk backward. This is giant panda. Pandas spend about 12 hours a day eating up to 28 pounds of bamboo. This is zebra. Zebra stripes act as a natural bug repellent by confusing biting flies. This is gorilla. Like humans, gorillas have unique individual fingerprints. Wow! This is crocodile. Crocodiles are physically unable to stick their tongues out. This is wolf. Wolves can communicate with each other over distance of up to 10 miles. Wow, that's amazing. This is octopus. An octopus has 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Interesting. This is shark. Sharks do not have any bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage. This is snow leopard. Snow leopards cannot roar. Instead, they hiss, growl, and puff. This is fox. Foxes can use the Earth's magnetic field to hunt prey hidden under deep snow. This is jellyfish. Do you know jellyfish are 95% water and have survived for millions of years without a brain or heart? Wow, that's amazing. Without brain? Oh my god. I hope kids you liked the video. See you soon with another amazing video of animals. Till then, take care. Bye bye.